All right, so got this picture of this little walkway going down through here. Did my best to try to get the picture without a person in it, but it didn't work. So there's three things in this, well, four really, that distract me quite a bit in this picture. All right. So when I look at this picture, the guy is kind of a distraction. I didn't want a picture of a guy. Okay. I wanted a picture of this walkway. All right. And the trash can right here, y'all. The trash can's a pain. Okay. In the past, we would have gone in there with a clone stamp and did it little by little by little. But now we got some really great tools. You've seen some of them. There's another distracting thing over here on the left. I think that's a gutter or something like that that's over there. And that's kind of distracting because the rest of it's nice and clean and white all the way down. So we need to get rid of that. And then this red side of this building over here. Okay, that bugs the stew out of me. What happened is the sky was blown out over there. It was just so bright in that area. There's not really a lot of data in there for Photoshop to fool with on this, right? Okay, because you can see the sky's blown out. All right, let's try to get rid of a little bit of this. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go over here to our selection tools. Okay, now we could try patch and any of these kind of things like that. But I want to suggest that we let AI take care of all of this for us at one time. Let's see if this works. I have no idea. I know we want this one right here. So I'm going to, let's duplicate our background first. Okay, just for the fun of it. All right, I'm going to turn the background off. There we go. Now it's only looking at that. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a little circle right around whatever that black thing is. It's a gutter or something like that. Okay. Now, remember I told you we hold a shift key down to add to a selection, right? Okay. Well, let's go right here and let's do ourselves a little circle right around that feller. Okay. So now we got that and that. Let's go over here. Now this is going to be a huge challenge for Photoshop. If it does all this, that's going to be incredible. All right, so now we got the trash can selected. Now we need to get rid of that building over there, okay? So let's go in here and let's just make ourselves a little old selection right around that red square right there, okay? Kind of like that, okay? All right, so I'm gonna let go of my shift key now, right? And so now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 things selected, all right? Those are the things I want to get rid of. I'm not gonna do anything but come right down here to the bottom and I'm going to click on Generative Fill. All right. Now, when it comes up, it's going to ask me, what would you like to fill these holes with? I'm saying nothing. Just fix it. So I'm going to hit Generate. It's going to take just a moment. Okay. It's thinking about it. It's working up here at the top. Okay. You see it working. You got those three areas right over here, or three choices, if you will, that we can add to and fix it. Now, remember, the more things you have selected, the longer it takes to fix them. But look at this picture, y'all. Look at this. The gutter's gone. The guy's gone. It even filled the sidewalk in. The trash can is gone. It even built the bush back in right there. Remember here. Turn it off. Look at that. That trash can was covering that bush. But the generative AI looked at it and said, well, there's bushes here and bushes here. It probably is a bush back there too. Look at that, y'all. It just built it back. Look at this up here where the building was. Look at that. I mean, is that magic or what? Okay. All right. So we look at that. But it gave us three choices. Let's see what the other ones are. Okay. There's that one. Let's go from one to the other. All right. There's that one. I don't think I like the second one because look at this. See where the bush is right there, y'all? Look what happens when we do the second one. It's not lined up as well, is it? No, so we don't want the second one. So let's try the third one. Oh, the third one's not bad. Okay, the building's gone, the trash can's gone, the bush is in there, the sidewalks are lined up nice. The sidewalk, yeah, kind of jots. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. Hold on. Yeah, see on the third one, the sidewalk right here, the line in the sidewalk kind of goes out. I know I'm being really picky here, okay? The line goes out, but look here on the first one. Look at that. That line stays straight, right? And it filled the bushes in too. So I kind of like that one. So that's the one I would use right there. So as you can see, the generative fill, it has revolutionized how we can select things in an image and how we can clean those images up.